Hello guys, how are you? This is your friend Abul Hassan. So today we will talk about how to make a perfect garden soil at home. If your plants aren't thriving no matter how much care you give, chances are it's the soil. Today I will show you how to make a perfect garden soil mix using just 5 simple ingredients. At first, we start with 40% normal soil. This gives the mix its base. You can use soil from your backyard or buy a basic topsoil. Make sure it's clean and free from debris, stones or large roots. So step number 2, what we will do, we will add about 20 to 25% compost. This is your natural powerhouse full of ingredients. You can use any cow dung or something, yeah, but compost will be better. You can use homemade compost or store bought. It improves soil fertility and helps your plants grow stronger and healthier. Now we will add 20 to 25% coco peat. You can use as per your convenience. This is excellence for water retention and keeps your soil light and breathable. It's especially helpful if you are gardening pots or live in a hot climate where soil dries fast. And step number 4 will be we will add 10% gardening soil or potting mix. This adds balance and often comes pre-enriched with the essential nutrients and beneficial microbes. This adds balance and often comes with pre-enriched with essential nutrients and beneficial microbes. Lastly and finally, you can use 10% neem kholi or neem cake powder. This will act as a natural pesticide and protect your plants from the root pests and fungal infections. Think of it as a health shield for your garden. And then you have to mix it together. Now mix everything very well and take your time, and good mixing ensures very handful of your soil and plant touch is nutrient rich, airy and well balanced. So that's it, and your perfect gardening soil will be ready. This mix supports root growth, retains moisture, drains well and keeps pests away naturally. Try it once and you will see the difference in your plants, I hope within weeks. If you found this is helpful, give it a like and drop your emoji in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and stay tuned. So happy gardening. So that's it for today. Bye.